What is it?
It's an actual worm.
It was an actual worm. I ate a worm. Here, what the other piece?
Give it to my sister. Just force her to eat it.
Force her to eat it.
Jennifer! I did, see? I get off of it.
Jennifer, if you eat it, I'll pay you $5.
I have $5 in my pocket right now.
Elizabeth, do you like a worm? Give her $10. Do you like a worm?
Shayla will give it to you. If she doesn't, I'll kill her.
Hey, wait. You want only $20. You only owe me $10.
I want $5.
Give it to her. I don't have it on me.
Shayla will give it to you. I promise. I swear to God, I will make her give it to you.
It's actual work.
Jennifer, you can do it.
You have to eat the whole thing. I ate it. Jennifer, I ate one.
Look at me. Look, Jennifer.
Jennifer, look back here. Jennifer.
It's not real. It's fake. It's artificial. Right. Eat it.
Those are fake.
$5 though.
Okay.
Chew it. Chew it.